All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. And all I ask for is 5 minutes of your time, guys. 5 minutes of your time. So here we are with the video that we're going to talk about, the stocks that exploded this week. The ones I mentioned over at the Discord, such as CLOV stock, what happened and as it pulled back, as well as skills, guys. And we're going to show a short clip, right, about skills, how many times I talked about it this week, and what happened to the stock. So stay tuned for all of that. And if you're interested in becoming part of the community, we look forward to have you join us over at the Patreon and Discord. If this information means you well and you find it helpful and informative, I have a daily watch list in the Discord, and the Patreon gains you access to the weekly watch list and the Discord as well. The tiers are filling up quickly. We have a large members group already. We're 100 plus members. In the last 3 weeks, I just opened up the Discord, and we've been hitting 10 to 20% gainers every single day, guys. A community filled with smart, intelligent investors, all looking to maximize profits and minimize losses. And that's what we focus on, making money, guys. So if you want to become a part of that, we look forward to have you join us. The links are below. Hold on tight. Let me show you guys that clip. It's just a few seconds long, and we're going to look at the chart, guys. When I first talked about it, I stated that this could fall closer to $15. And if it did, it was going to present itself as an opportunity, okay? I went ahead and talked about that almost a week ago. I mentioned it again. And for the last 2-3 weeks, I've talked about this one, and this is way below where I mentioned. And Kathy Wood loads up on this one. There's a lot of institutional ownership going up, and this stock will be one of those that's set to explode. That was a short clip of me talking about it on Monday, on the 19th, and yesterday it pulled down even lower. And the lower it went, beyond $15, because that was my first expectation, because I've been analyzing this stock since way up here, and it got below $15, the more interesting it was getting, between 15 to 10, and it hit a low here of $12.46, 47 cents, popped up a little bit after hours, pulled down this morning looking like it had weakness, and it took off. It exploded, guys. This gave 30% plus on the day if you caught it at the dip yesterday or even today. And if you caught it on the way down since Monday, you're still up, anywhere from 15 to 25% on this run, guys. So these are the type of opportunities I have to share with you guys towards the end of the video. Now, do I guarantee this type of run every single time and this fast? No, guys. That's not what it's about. It's about getting prepared and equipped for the opportunity, because even if it didn't run up to $16 like this, it would have probably happened in a much slower fashion, taking a few days until it actually took itself off. Instead of happening, in just 3 days between Monday till now, right, Wednesday, it would have took until maybe next week in Thursday or something. But it's all about maximizing profits and minimizing losses, guys. It's not about catching it right now and it's going to run up right now. That's not what it's about, guys. But this was a great opportunity that I kept on sounding like a broken record. And a lot of investors, believe it or not, in the comment section were bashing me and telling me, why are you talking about this? Why are you even mentioning this when we're talking about other stocks? Well, I do chart analysis, like I said, and I want to emphasize this, out of gratitude. And I add this information as another token, right, of appreciation for you staying along, and I'm equipping you with information that can better serve you once you do your due diligence and research to make your own rational decision. I want you guys to maximize profits and minimize losses. I don't want you guys to just look at a chart analysis and stay stuck in that one opportunity. I want to open your opportunities, guys. Now, if you want to open your opportunities and maximize them, you can join us at the Patreon or Discord. You'll gain access to both. The tiers are filling up, and there's a lot to learn over there, guys. So I'm going to show you guys 2 of the home runs that were hit this week. This one was hit on Monday, right? So we talked about CLOV on Monday as well, which we're going to look at in just a moment. And that was actually not that bad. It actually gave us a little bit of a run, but it wasn't really focused much on CLOV that day. And CLNE, yeah, it popped. This thing hit like the 14s and stuff, but it didn't give us as much as we wanted. You know, we got like around 5 to 8%, which is not bad, but we were looking for at least 10 to 15 on Monday, especially to start the week strong, right? So AMBO was picking up volume, and this one was sitting at 246 when I mentioned it. Well, let's go ahead and look here at AMBO. So AMBO, when I mentioned it, was at 246, and it started running, giving us 15% just in the pre-market, guys. In the pre-market. That's more than enough to start the day. Pulled back, right? And it got back close to that 246 and a little bit lower to 240, 237, and it ran up again, giving us a second exit of 20% plus. And if you held from the entry here towards the middle of the day, 30% plus. So one of the investors actually made $1,000 throughout all their trades. I already explained that. I asked for permission to show his trades that he showed us. But if you join the Discord and you go to the profit section, you will see this post there. Okay? And the investor talking about, you know, how he played it out and how many trades he did. He did like 3 trades in the day. He made like 300 on one, 500 on the other one, and then on the other one made another 300. So that was spectacular. 1,000 plus on the day. This was a big home run to start the week, guys. This was phenomenal. Now, another home run that we hit was yesterday, and the other stocks, YVR, it didn't turn out to give us much. It only gave us about 3 to 5%. So you could kind of tell this wasn't giving us enough type of traction, right? And then we have OBLN, and this was sitting at 270 when I talked about it. And we had Hoth, right? It reported about their drug innovation, and this stock needed more volume. It was sitting at 168. This one gave us about 10 to 15%, but OBLN gave us another home run, guys. OBLN took off. So let's go ahead and look at that here. So I mentioned it at 270 as it was falling, came down a little bit, ran up, and right at the bell, pulled down, hit close to about 258, 260, and took off, guys. Took off to a high here of 312, 313 with an exit opportunity of 20%. Now, you had many other exit opportunities, but the highest point of the day was 20% plus, guys. These are the opportunities that you're missing out on over at the Discord. So one of the things I want to go ahead and do, I want to give it a try, is if you don't feel comfortable joining the Discord just yet, once a month, I'm going to do it, and it's going to be random. You can join over at the Twitter. I'm still thinking about it. I'm going to see if I'm going to do it. Join me on Twitter. If you don't want to join the Discord or Patreon yet, that's up to you. You are going to be missing out because we're constantly looking for opportunities. And it's not just the opportunities. It's the learning experience, guys. And another thing too, stay tuned towards the second half of the videos, guys. Don't miss out on that. That's where the money's at. And that, like, skills is money that you left on the table if you didn't pay attention to it since I started talking about it. You would have noticed in the middle of the day, or you probably overlooked it, and now I'm here showing it to you, and you're just like, man, I should have stayed, right? So I don't want you guys to go through that. But about the Twitter, I'm probably going to post one stock that I feel confident about randomly in the morning, right after I post it on the Discord, randomly. And it's not for you guys to take as financial advice or do anything with it. Honestly, I would advise you to not even do anything with it. Just watch it so it could actually prove to you the quality of what happens every day. You get a sneak peek to actually experience it, right? Or I would tell you to simulate trade it so that you can get a practice feel. And if you like it and you want more of it, you can join us. There's 100 plus members, and that's the goal for us to learn and grow together. And I'm telling you guys that you won't want to miss out on this, because I've been doing it for 3 weeks already, and I've learned a lot from other investors, not just because they are teaching me anything. It's learning of the fact that, within a community, when you realize that we're all in the red together, our portfolios, even though we're not in the same stocks, it makes you understand that in these pullbacks, you're not alone. There's people to talk to, right? To kind of get a feel of what's going on. And then today, the market was overall green, and those that weren't day trading as we were going downwards, we made money, right? Those that day traded or those that practice, we were seeing the opportunity to make money, right? We're learning. A lot of them are learning. But today, when we went green, almost everyone in this chat had an opportunity to say, hey, my portfolio is getting out of the red. Hey, my portfolio is looking better. Hey, I had an opportunity to buy more of the dips. And we're all communicating, and that gives you some sense of what's going on in different places within the market, guys. It doesn't mean that everyone's invested in the same stock and we're all going to feel the same thing. It just gives you more insight, a different set of eyes, right? Just one set of eyes, two pairs of eyes, two sets. One set of eyes, two eyes on a screen can only do so much for you to see something in the market. And I've come to realize that the biggest part of joining is the community, guys. And it's amazing. It's amazing to be part of a community that looks out for each other. And that's something that I'm really proud of. Every single member doing very well. And maximizing profits, minimizing losses, and focusing on the same goal: to make money and learn and grow. Everyone that's in there, I'm telling you, has come a long way since they started. I'm getting messages left and right on the experience of the last 3 weeks, how great it's been, and I can't wait to see you join us, have you join us, and learn and grow together, guys. We look forward to have you join us, and these stocks exploded, and there's many more to explode, guys.